Okay, we got our chin. We took our palm sander and sanded it down smooth. So the mouth is working good where I want it. So the next thing we want to do is we have to take some of this out in here so our spring won't catch on the wood. And we need to take some out in here so when we put our string in it won't catch on the wood. So we'll work on that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions, feel free to ask in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to use our Dremel cutting tool to gouge some of this out. See, we're taking this out in here. We'll take some more out on that one. And then this one, we're going to do the same with this. So you can see that we take this out in here. So we're going to work on this in the head, and then we'll come back with our next step. Thanks for watching.